Hey guys and girls, welcome back to ifectioner.com Learn Dutch through English video tutorials. And in this tutorial, we will continue our discussion on how to greet people in Dutch. My name is ifectioner. You are now introducing yourself. Mijn naam is ifectioner. Ik heet ifectioner. So it's mine. My. Mijn naam is ifectioner. Actually, I is pronounced as E. So in Dutch, if it's written like this, then I would say mijn naam is ifectioner. But because it's my name, therefore I'm saying mijn naam is ifectioner or ik heet. Heet is called. I am called ifectioner. Ik heet ifectioner. Mijn naam is ifectioner. Mijn naam is ifectioner. Mijn naam is ifectioner or ik heet. It's not heat because E is pronounced as A. So it's heet. Ik heet ifectioner. I am ifectioner, or you can say I am ifectioner. It's very simple. Ik ben ifectioner. Ik ben ifectioner. Ik ben ifectioner. I am ifectioner. I come from Netherlands. Ik kom uit Nederland. Ik kom uit Engeland. Ik kom uit Engeland. I come from England. Ik kom uit Engeland. I live in Amsterdam. Ik woon in Amsterdam. A is A. Amster. R is R with the trill. Amsterdam. Ik woon in Amsterdam. I live in Amsterdam. Ik woon in Amsterdam. Ik woon in Amsterdam. What is your name? What is your good name? Hoe heet jij? Or hoe heet u? Jij is informal for younger persons or friends, and u is for politeness or to give someone respect. Hoe heet u? U. Or hoe heet jij? Hoe heet jij? Hoe heet jij? What are you called? Hoe heet u? Hoe heet u? Where are you from? Waar komt u vandaan? Waar komt u vandaan? Waar komt u vandaan? Where are you from? Or waar kom je vandaan? So just remember that with u we use T, and in the future tutorials I will be telling you why do we use T with u and why not with je. Waar kom je vandaan? Waar kom je vandaan? Waar komt u vandaan? Where are you from? Where do you live? Waar woont u? Waar is where? Waar woont u? Waar woon je? Waar woont u? Waar woon je? Where do you live? So it's formal and it's informal. I am 30 years old. Ik ben 30. Ik ben 30. Or you can say ik ben 30 jaar. I am 30 years. I am of 30 years. Ik ben 30 jaar. Ik ben 30 jaar oud. Old. Ik ben 30 jaar oud. Jaar. Because J is pronounced as ja. Jaar. Ik ben 30 jaar oud. How old are you? Hoe oud bent u? Hoe oud bent u? Hoe oud ben je? Hoe oud bent u? Hoe oud ben je? Ik ben 30 jaar oud. So now we see a dialogue between two persons, person A and person B. Person A: I am Ifechtner. What's your name? Ik ben Ifechtner. Hoe heet u? B: My name is Fechtner. Ik heet Fechtner. Where are you from? Waar komt u vandaan? It's R. Waar komt u vandaan? I am from England. Ik kom uit Engeland. Ik kom uit Engeland. Where do you live? Waar woont u? I live in Rotterdam. It's person B. I live in Rotterdam. Ik woon in Rotterdam. Ik woon in Rotterdam. Ik woon in Rotterdam. Ik ben Ifechtner. Hoe heet u? Ik heet Fechtner. Waar komt u vandaan? Ik kom uit Engeland. Waar woont u? Ik woon in Rotterdam. Okay, guys and girls, now we will begin our practice session. I will ask you some questions in Dutch, and you will be reading them from the screen and then answering me. Me. Ik ben Ifechtner. Hoe heet u? Yes, ik heet Fechtner. Waar komt u vandaan? Yes, ik kom uit Engeland. And if you would like to see how do we pronounce different countries in Dutch, then please search for my video tutorial on country names. Ik kom uit Engeland. Me, prima. That's it. And now you become me and I will become you. Please ask me a question. Ik ben Ifechtner. Hoe heet u? May I answer? Ik heet Fechtner. You? Waar komt u vandaan? Vandaan. Ik kom uit Engeland. You? Prima. 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 Okay, guys and girls, if you would like to do some more exercises, then please visit us on ifechtner.com. Please subscribe to our channel. Please like this video. I will see you in the next tutorial, which is how to say goodbyes in Dutch. Until then, take care.